Oh, this is pretty bad. I've got 3/4 bar on and I'm going nowhere. So yeah, looks like I'll be walking home. Landing might be interesting too. Shit, yeah. Should be a little bit of friction on the ground that lets me inch forward, I think. I'll get off the bar soon. Yeah, distinctly going backwards, look at this. Yeah, it's howling down there. Yep, so I'm on trim now. Just got my hands on the D's to feel it. There's these trees that they're pretty long way away. Pretty flat otherwise. Yeah, a bit windier than yesterday. I'll get on the brakes a bit now. Still going backwards. Wow, I think that probably is the windiest landing I've done. Another howling subtly. I have to pull a wingtip now, I think. Shit, I don't want to really damage my wing here. It's not a wingtip, but it's pretty close. Hopefully it doesn't cut my hand. Oh God. Sharp little lines. Right. Done. Oh man. Windy. Windier than I thought. It's not even late.